Howdy and welcome to TBKHomeworld, and in this video I wanted to go over this really cool SKIL Power Core 20 drill that we've picked up recently. So as I've mentioned in other videos, we are in the process of moving. One of the things I had to do is I had to relocate one of the distribution blocks for one of our trailers from the outside of the frame rail to the inside of the frame rail. Unfortunately, on the inside of the frame rail, we were extremely tight on space, and even some of my extremely small drills and impacts would not fit within the hole. So we had two primary choices within our area for a tool to do this job, either the SKIL or the DeWalt 12 volt. I opted to go with the SKIL 20 volt, and I am extremely glad I did. I was able to pick this particular tool up off of Amazon for $119 on sale. It does come in a soft-sided case. I do wish it was hard, but I like that at least it comes with a case. This is so much better than most other tools do. Inside, we have a high-density foam that is in here that is holding everything in place. I am going to leave it. I know some people end up pulling their tools out and letting them rummage around on the inside. You do what you think is best for you. But what is really cool about this particular drill is the way the head works on this unit. Now, this is nothing new. A lot of manufacturers have similar items, but what I like about SKIL is the implementation that they have of this. First of all, we have a standard chuck on here. This is not a 1/2-inch chuck. That is one thing I don't like about it, and it does have a plastic collar for the knurling on the outside. However, it is still high quality, no issues at all, very easily goes within the teeth here. And all you have to do to pull this off is you pull on the collar and that pulls off your head. If you instead want to do an offset, you grab the offset head and put it on. Now here's the cool part. You'll see that there are teeth here and there are teeth here. Very similar to other systems that are out there, but this allows you to turn this head sideways so you can get different rotations depending on what you're wanting to do with it. And it goes all the way around 360 degrees, whatever you're wanting to do with it. Now, who is that going to work well for? This is going to work extremely well for you cabinet guys. If you're up underneath there and you're trying to put that countertop on top of it, you and I both know that some of those nuts and bolts that we're putting in there, depending on what we're using, are extremely difficult. Sometimes it's just wood screws. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes we have epoxied on different things, and now we have to get up in those tight corners in order to secure our counter surface to the tops of our cabinets. This little offset makes that absolutely easy to do. On top of that, we have a standard 1/4-inch chuck that we can slide on to the end of it, turning this into just a 1/4-inch chucked tool. But here's the part I liked most, and this is what sold me on this unit. We have a 90-degree attachment that can go on here. This then allows you to put a 1/4-inch bit in here, and you can spin it like anything else. This is magnetized on the inside. It will absolutely receive 1/4-inch bits and 1/4-inch drill bits. And that's actually what we did with it. I picked up a set of SKIL very short 1/4-inch drill bits that went into here, and that gave me just enough room to put this into my frame and drill. Then I pulled out the drill bit, put in the standard bit into here, and I was able to put my screw in, securing my box to the trailer. But here's something else that's really cool. If you don't have a 1/4-inch, but you do have a regular drill bit, but you have a really funky situation, you can actually take this head and place it on top. And now you have it turned 90 degrees from where you were. And again, this can be placed any particular direction that you need it to be placed in. Now, let's say you don't want to have a chuck up here but you need to have the offset up here. You can also put on the offset and have a really interesting and funky little way to get up into some of those tight places. And if you don't want that, you can put on the standard 1/4 inch chuck on here as well. I didn't find that this was necessary, and in fact, I found in my situation, this was too much. I didn't have the room that I needed. So I was extremely thankful that in the end here, that it receives 1/4 inch bits. This absolutely saved my bacon. Now, per the usual, this is a pretty standard drill. You're going to have a 2-speed gearbox on the top. You're going to have a variable speed trigger on it. You're going to have forward, reverse, and it does have a very nice light that is on here at the front. And as with most SKIL tools, you can turn on and off the light with just a push of a button. You no longer have to pull the trigger in order to get the light to go on. If you haven't watched my 12-volt SKIL review, you should definitely check it out, because that alone, it has a ring on the front of the 12-volt SKIL. Absolutely phenomenal. I love it. It stays on for 10 minutes. It's really cool having a built-in flashlight into your drill, and you'll notice this one still hasn't shut off. That's the really awesome feature, and I love that innovation with the SKIL line. Now, this particular kit does come with the 20-volt 2-amp-hour battery, which was more than enough for what I was needing it to do, and it does come with a 45-watt USB-C charging system, and it is extremely compact. I really like the way that they've done it. You flip out the plug whenever you need it, plug it into the wall, put your USB-C cable in, and you can charge your tool. You can also charge anything that's USB-C off of here. And in fact, 45 watts is enough to actually run most laptops as well. So this can actually perform double duty for you. So they do include some additional items in this kit. First of all, they're gonna have a USB-C charging cable. Really appreciate that they have this, and it's a higher quality cable. This has the woven exterior on it as opposed to just plastic, so really cool. And of course it has the SKIL logo on there. Very nice. And from there, we're gonna have a number 2 Phillips bit. Pretty common, we all got them. In fact, we probably have so many of them, they're dripping out of our ears. And the one thing you constantly hear me complaining about with one of their competitors, they actually include a nice belt clip with this system. You don't have to go out and purchase your own. It comes with it. $120, you get all of this, and they even included the belt clip. Thank you very much, SKIL, for putting belt clips with all of your tools. Really awesome. Appreciate that. This 90-degree absolutely is phenomenal. I really like their implementation of it. I do know that there are other brands out there, and if you're interested in seeing some of those as well, please let me know in the comments below. I am interested in the DeWalt 12-volt, and I wouldn't mind putting those two head-to-head and seeing how they do, especially, you know, if you're in the trades and let's say you're a plumber or an electrical guy, can you use something like this to drill through your 2x and run your electrical cable? Anyway, if you're interested in thinking and knowing about that answer, please let me know in the comments below. If I get enough interaction from you all requesting it, then I will do that for you guys. I will purchase the DeWalt as well, and we'll see which one does better. By the way, I still haven't turned this thing off, and you see how long this light goes. Again, absolutely amazing innovation with this particular tool. So there we go, a fun little use case that we had for this drill. It has already been used, and I'm absolutely tickled pink that I purchased it. Got it at a crazy good deal, and I'm very happy to have it in my arsenal of tools. If you have any questions about this particular tool, please leave it in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer all of those questions for you. And at the end of every single video, we always try to highlight one of our viewers' comments. Great comments like this one. Thank you very much for leaving that comment. And remember, keep your tools sharp and your batteries charged, and we will catch you on the next one.